If a bowl is still full of greasy stains, we cannot use it for a meal because the stains could be detrimental to our health. Likewise, if we have the 6 stains that pollute our Dharma vessel, the teachings can barely permeate us, even if we sit in audience and listen. Pretentiously. Briefly speaking, the 6 stains a Dharma student must avoid are 1. Pride, proudly believing yourself to be far superior to the Dharma teacher. 2. Lack of faith, not trusting and worse yet, having wrong views toward the teacher and their teachings. 3. Lack of effort, not aspiring for the teaching, failing to apply yourself to the Dharma, indifferent to receiving teachings. 4. Outward distraction, getting distracted by external events, such as sight, sound, smell, or taste. 5. Inward tension, focusing your 5 senses too intently inwards so you become drowsy. 6. Discouragement, being discouraged in situations like when a teaching is too long or when you are tired,